Good morning and happy Monday. It's now June the 8th. It is the second to the last Monday in our school year. So that is probably making some of you very happy and some of you very sad. I'm right with you. I'm sad to see our semester end without actually being able to get you guys in the Woods Lab to use the tools and machines that we learned about. I guess we'll have to do that next year. But it also makes me happy in a way because, um, this learning from home stuff is not exactly ideal. Um, and plus, let's face it, summer break, what's wrong with that? Um, all right, so let's talk a little bit more about this week. This week, we're building on everything that we started last week. So if you go into the materials folder for 6.8 to 6.12, you're going to find a document that's entitled the Great Paper Airplane Challenge. Okay? We've already talked about it. You've done a design brief. You've started to do some research, or at least you should have. I did mention that to you last week. Start research after doing that last design brief. Okay, so what's it look like? In this document, there's four parts. The first part is for you to show some of your research. Which URL, which video, which website did you find online when you were doing your research that informed you and gave you some ideas on how to build a paper airplane that would sustain and meet the challenge of staying aloft for at least 3 seconds? Okay, so that's part one. Part two, you start building it and you're going to document your build with a photograph. Okay, so don't take a photograph off the internet. Take a photograph with your phone or a camera and then upload it and insert it to the document. Okay. Then there's the part three is testing. Okay, because really the goal of this was to make a 3 second flight. So there is a timer embedded into the document, so you don't have to time it on your phone or anything else. You can just click on the link in the document, and then you can use the timer that's on that website. Okay. Part four is for you to evaluate your flight afterwards. Evaluate your plane. Oh no, I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. Never much fun. Got allergies, pollen's going crazy. If you haven't noticed, or if you have allergies, I'm sure you have noticed. Okay, so part four was to reflect on the results. So one is to document your research, two is to build it and document that, three is to test it and to document that by recording the flight time of your airplane, and four is reflection and think about, okay, what changes would we make? Okay, so let's try to get these all done by Wednesday. Okay, and then Wednesday, well, I'm not going to tell you about Wednesday. You're going to have to wait for Wednesday to roll around and see how your results from Monday and Tuesday are going to be used on Wednesday. So please, let's get that done by Wednesday. You'll notice the due date listed on the document is Wednesday, not Friday. Okay. And as always, check School Tool for any zeros or missing grades. If you're missing something there and you think you've done it, just make sure you've submitted it. If you're missing a grade in School Tool and you find out that you did do it and I graded it, just shoot me a quick email and say, hey, Mr. Vadding, must be you got interrupted when you were doing grades and you graded it, but you forgot to put in School Tool. Okay, so let's go with that. Thank you much. Have a great day and have a little bit of fun with this project. Thank you.